Hey groomers, Tyler and Smokey here. Just wanted to show you a little bit about these swivel scissors. So if you keep swiveling them around like this, eventually the swivel thing could fall off. So what you want to do is every now and again, just tighten it up. There's a little flathead screw right there, a couple washers, tighten it on up. It should spin evenly like that. If it doesn't, throw a little, super glue or Loctite in there so it spins. Don't glue it to your scissor, but just make sure the threads don't come undone on this, or else you'll be chasing the parts all around the groom shop and probably up in your vacuum. So I hope this helps some of you. If you have any questions, let me know. And be careful with your swivels. Also, this piece, that's less of an issue, but I've seen it come apart too up here. So this is a double swivel. It swivels both ways. But anyway, have a good day.